Thomas goes fishing. Thomas chugged by the river. He saw children fishing. Peep, beep, Thomas said. The children waved. I wish to fish, said Thomas. An engine fishing, the driver said. That is funny. Each day Thomas saw the children. Each day Thomas wished to fish. One day Thomas stopped. Oh dear, he said, my boiler hurts. The driver looked in the boiler. It was empty. The driver filled Thomas's boiler with water from the river. Soon they were chugging along. Thomas stopped again. Hee hee, said Thomas. My boiler feels funny. The driver looked in the boiler. It was not empty. There was water in the boiler. That was not all. There were fish too. Thomas had an idea. He peeped loudly. The children came to see Thomas. The children could fish in the river. The driver could fish in Thomas. And that is what they did. Beep, beep.